1. Improves circulation and reduces risk of osteoporosis. Flaxseed contains a plant-based type of omega-3 fatty acid, which has been linked to improved circulation and anti-inflammatory effects. Research shows that these fats may also help fight osteoporosis, a disease characterized by the reduced density and quality of bone, by reducing the risk of bone fractures. 2. May protect against type 2 diabetes. Flax seeds are one of the best foods when it comes to controlling diabetes. They assist in the management of blood sugar levels, and together with lifestyle changes and medication as needed, they can help diabetics more easily manage their disease. It's thought that flax seeds can improve insulin sensitivity, as they keep blood glucose stable. Diabetics should experience fewer major spikes throughout the day. This blood sugar lowering effect is due to flax seeds' insoluble fiber content, which slows down the release of sugar into the blood and thus reduces blood sugar. In one small study, scientists gave people 0 grams, 13 grams, or 26 grams of flaxseed daily for 12 weeks. The participants all had pre-diabetes. The people in the group who consumed 13 grams of flaxseed a day had lower blood glucose and insulin levels, and improved insulin sensitivity at the end of the study period. 3. May prevent some cancers. Flaxseed is a top source of particularly health-protective antioxidants called polyphenols. These antioxidants are thought to protect against cancer, as well as cell-damaging oxidative stress. Flax is also rich in plant compounds, which means they may have the ability to stop tumors from forming new blood vessels and growing. One study of more than 6,000 women found that those who regularly ate flax seeds were up to 18% less likely to develop breast cancer. Postmenopausal women seem to benefit the most. Other small studies suggest that flax seeds may help lower the risk of prostate cancer in men. Evidence is conflicting though, so more research is needed before we can confirm the benefits of flaxseed against cancer. 4. It can lower blood pressure. The good omega-3 fats in flaxseed help reduce blood pressure and prevent strokes. In fact, research suggests that thanks to their omega-3 content, flax seeds can reduce blood pressure as effectively as lifestyle changes, such as exercising more, cutting back on salt, or limiting alcohol. At the end of one 6-month study of 110 people with hypertension, the blood pressure of those who ate 30 grams of milled flaxseed a day were lower than those who were on a placebo. The researchers concluded the blood pressure benefits from eating flaxseed could lead to 50% fewer strokes and 30% fewer heart attacks. This is incredibly promising news for anyone who is currently dealing with high blood pressure.